like any good garage owner, I'll keep these because they'll come in handy for something someday, somewhere, or just take up room in a box for the next 10 years. Last time I did this, I had to put rollers in, which is what I'm doing now. So it keeps it up off the framework and sort of away from the sides, and that's what's locking it in, is all the dirt and stones and crap over the last few months of, well, the last year or so of putting dirt and gravel and everything else on it. I'm going to put these in. Main issue that I have to slide it out is because of these. And obviously I've got the, you know, 2 more plus the one right up on the end. So I can't just flip the sheet up. It'd be really nice if I could do that, but and I don't want to cut the sheet because I can use it for something else. You know, becoming handy, or I think my mate actually wants it for his trailer possibly. So yeah, so anyway, it's moved. It's got to slide out back towards us, or me. So yeah, I'm already got a sweat on, so we'll just keep knocking at it, and now that it's moved, it should go pretty easy, I think. If anybody's wondering, yes, that's an old leaf spring. Works well. Ingenuity. Good morning, campers. Okay, so next day, rained all night, heavy rain all night, and yeah, you see a bit of flooding over there, but no, everything held up pretty well around here. I've done a lot of drainage and shit, so it keeps everything good. So the plan today is trim these edges off square, and these edges here, and cut these boards to length, get them in. Now because this width here, you know, the boards are a little bit wider, of course, so I'm going to cut a bit of a bevel on here, just a 45 bevel, just to facilitate getting on and off the trailer a bit easier. Whether it'll make a difference or not, but either way it'll stop the end chipping out, so so that'll work. So I'll get these boards cut, and then I'll pull the trailer into the garage, so I'm not working in the rain, because no one likes working in the rain. Kind of goes to show, you know, you do your calculations and they're not right. This is a 300mm board, which is 295 dressed, right? 295 dressed. This trailer is 1450 wide. See? 1450 right there. Okay, so 1450 divided by 5 is 290. So these boards should be 290, but they're not, they're 295. So I need to trim, I might trim the middle one, I think. I'll leave these two as full boards, and I'll trim that middle guy, which sucks because it's quite a long, arduous cut to do. But oh well, I think the blade in my skill saw is alright, so we'll whip him out and get a measurer. Fun times. Here we go. which are designed for going into metal. So I'll just basically screw those into the rails, and I'll recess the head just a little bit so that it's sort of, you know, hidden, and I'm not going to hit it with a bucket, or, I mean, it'd be nice to have those on the deck as a bit of grip, but I don't really need to. It's pretty tickety-boo how it is. Alright, so batteries are charged, all the screws are in. So now I'm going to coat this timber with a just some oil actually. I've got some old engine oil, and it'll just keep the dirt and shit from getting right into it. Yeah, it'll be a little bit slippery initially, but yeah, you put it in the sun for a couple of hours and it dries off, it soaks in, and just sort of waterproofs the timber a bit. So yeah, so we'll do a bit of a clean up and give it a sweep off and get some oil on it. Alrighty. Alright. You can see already it's starting to soak in a little bit. And the screws in. Ready to go. So we'll get it out in the sun, let it soak in, and then the trick is you actually scrub it off with some gravel, and that just takes all the slippery shit off, and then good to go. So there it is. Probably a long-winded video by the time I edit everything out, but I'll try and speed everything up and get it so we're not hitting boredom status. But yeah, that was a bit of a task. I think it's 1:30 now. Spent an hour on it last night, about 3 hours today, so about 4 hours. And yeah, well, is what it is. Oh, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. I've got some good projects coming up actually, so one of them is going to be digging a hole for a couple of tanks, and yeah, that's going to be fun because there's a lot of rocks out there, so yeah, it's going to be tickety-boo. Alright, I'll see you around. Bye.